Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. Today we are learning from Firefly My Skill Book English 2nd. Now let's learn about vowel E. Sound with ED words. Bad, BED, bad. Red, RED, red. Vowel E with EG. BEG, bag. Leg, LEG, leg. Peg, PEG, peg. Vowel E with EN words. Dan, DEN, Dan. Hen, HEN, hen. Pen, PEN, pen. Vowel E with ET words. Bet, BET, bet. Get, GET, get. Jet, JET, jet. Let, LET, let. Met, MET, met. Net, NET, net. Pet, PET, pet. Set, SET, set. Wet, WET, wet. Look at the pictures and circle their correct names below. Bed, BED, bed. Hen, HEN, hen. Leg, LEG, leg. Den, DEN, den. Net, NET, net. Red, RED, red. Peg, PEG, peg. Men, MEN, men. Jet, JET, jet. Pen, PEN, pen. Hen, HEN, hen. Ten, TEN, ten. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do like and subscribe my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi.